I think I don't deserve so much what you said. I had participated in the World Economic Forum, which stands for WEF. I'm happy that I'm another WEF here, the Women Economic Forum. And in the future, I want to tell you that whenever we mention WEF, we must mean Women Economic Forum, not World Economic Forum. I want you to I think Mr. Bhasin is already going a fright that when I'm doing 5 minutes, I'm going to talk about 2 hours. And I don't intend to do that. About 3 years back, I was arguing a matter in the Supreme Court. Around 3:45, the judges were looking at the clock. So I told them, my lords, please don't look at the clock. Please look at the calendar. Because I need to argue this matter for at least 3-4 days, if not more. So I have no intention of taking that much time. Don't worry about that. When we are talking about innovation, public policy and law, I would like to dwell upon 2 aspects. There are innovations taking place all over. How the law is coping with that particular innovations, because innovations always overtake the existing legislations. And therefore, we have a challenge as to how the existing laws are going to be interpreted and applied to the emerging technologies. The second is the law itself is evolving. How innovatively we can interpret the law to make the law more dynamic and vibrant. So therefore, law about innovation and innovation about the law. I think there are 2 things we are talking about. When we are talking about innovation, talk about the creativity. The human body and the mind is a wonderful machine which is created. If you believe in God, you say God created. If you don't, it's nature created. Let upon get into an argument on that. But I always feel that the human body and the mind works under tremendous stress. It works much better. I always feel that when you are relaxed, I think your productivity is much lower. I'm a marathon runner. Don't look at my age or my head. I do believe, and I do. In fact, morning also I ran today. But then when you
14 kilometers every day.
But then when you run so much and you are putting the heart to tremendous stress and also various muscles, the body works tremendously. And the whole day you feel noise because endorphin is created, because the body creates the endorphin to take away the pains in the muscle. And that actually creates the high. And the whole day you feel nice. And same thing happens in the case of mind. You are stressed, you come up with tremendous incentives. Did you ever think that you don't have to own a car, but you can run a taxi service right through, like Uber and Ola? Did you ever think like that? Did you ever think that you don't have to have a hotel, but you can make the booking and then make money out of it, like a night trip, etc. So therefore today, ideas bring money. It is not about the ownership of physical assets, but what is important is the mental asset, what you have. But then, you have a law today, the most modern technology, which is now your cellular phones or internet, etc. Do you know which law governs it in India? Indian Telegraph Act of 1862. That law is being applied today for your most modern GSM and technologies and internet and things. Do you know that? You will be, and in fact, officially in India, we have buried telegraph. When the P&T department originally called the postal telegraph, the telegraph is no longer there today. It was Morse telegraph is closed. But that act is now being used to interpret or govern all the regulations of the most modern thing. Why it is possible? We always think that when the law is not progressing or not amended to take care of the new innovations and try to understand and how to fit it is like fitting a square peg in a round hole, and you are not able to. And that is where the courts come in. And they dynamically interpret the provisions. This word actually can mean like this today. Many times, when I argue the matter in the courts, I have to tell the judges, please don't look at the dictionary. The dictionary meaning what it is and what I am going to say is going to be diametrically opposite. But in the context I am going to argue that the diametrical opposite meaning alone is relevant in this particular thing. The court will oblige. So therefore, you have innovations, innovative ideas. Nandini already spoke about patents. Yes, every innovation is being made. Wherever you can protect under the law, you can protect by registration, etc. So also designs, so also the copyright, so also your geographic indications. Whole lot of things are protected under the law. They are created by the statutes. But there is another called common law, where it does not allow you to cheat. It does not allow you to copy. You are not allowed to steal. So therefore, ideas that have been stolen. Suppose you have a person in your office or in your factory, you have been working R&D, and he designed one day and then he joins your competitor. Now what do? He has taken along with him all the information. There is no specific law which says that you cannot take. But then the common law is applied. You are stealing, not necessarily the physical assets or money, but you are actually stealing the ideas, the research. So therefore, courts do come in the bit of those situations where the law is silent or there is a gap in the law, the courts take over and do it. And I must admit that our Indian courts are one of the outstanding. You always hear there are very long delay, blah blah. Yes, there are delays. I am not saying no. But look at the number of matters they are dealing with. The way in which they are disposing of the matters. But when they take up the matter and then they dispose of the matter, it is brilliant. Yes, you do get some, as Mr. Bhasin has mentioned, there are some not so good judgments. I won't say bad judgments, I would say not so good judgments. But they are aberrations. They are bound to be there in the society. These aberrations do exist and they are going to be corrected. But by and large, if you look at the judgments, they are very, very creative judgments have been given. Today, there are situations where political leadership may find it difficult to tackle a social problem because very other reasons. So for example, triple talaq is a typical example. The governments are grappling with it, but they are not able to proceed further as to do what to do. And the courts come in. And they interpret. And they say this is not correct. Absolutely, this is against the constitution. Now, here is a situation where the courts take a step further than what legislature would do, where public policy will do, and they ultimately come and say, this is what society needs at this point of time. The right to privacy, which we are talking about, Pavan was talking about in great detail, is a great judgment. A unique judgment of 9 judges giving unanimous decision on this particular point. We never realized that what exactly is the privacy and what we call the right to privacy and how they elevate it to the level of a fundamental right. Now, all I am trying to say is that the innovation is taking place daily and law is like ether, the air which we breathe. You don't realize that you are breathing air, do you? Unless you do pranayama separately in the morning, you don't even realize you don't. That same way, the law is touching you daily, every moment, but you don't realize it. But when you transgress the law, when the law enforcing agency catches you, then only you realize the police. That is why lawyers are called necessary evils. It is better to keep them away as far as possible. Don't go near them, etc. If you can avoid a lawyer, I think you can avoid. Am I right, sir?
I'm a doctor, so...
Therefore you can avoid. In fact, the doctors are also the same way, sir. You will also keep the doctor as much as away. Only when there is a need, when both of us in the same boat. So therefore, what we try to say is, we are necessary because the way in which the Constitution of India has been interpreted, dynamic Article 14, right to equality. Today, we are all sitting here and breathing the right to equality, right to expression, etc. is because of the innovative way in which judgments have been delivered. Innovative in which the doyens of lawyers who put hours and hours of innovative way of arguments in the courts which ultimately resulted in landmark judgments in India, which are much better than any judgment anywhere in the world. But these are the ones who have toiled and which we are enjoying the fruits of those labor. I don't want to take more time for two reasons. One, others are ready, and two, I must rush to the court. So therefore, out of selfish reasons, I must say thank you, and done a great job, Dr. Arora. Fantastic job, each one of you, all young ladies. I never see any old lady here. For everybody, I look at very young, including you, madam. So therefore, thank you very much, all of you young ladies, because I myself a young man. Only 66 years young, that's all. So therefore, I wish you best of luck, and then I wish you a really great day for this particular forum, and thank you very much for calling me. I don't know why they called me for this, because probably my name is Lakshmikumaran, there is Lakshmi there, probably they called me.